employees. Then from there, we are going to talk about the duties of employers to employees. And what is a duty? A duty is something that you're required to do. What are you required, you as a person, to the particular task that you're supposed to do or to partake every day? So, what is that particular thing or particular action that you're supposed to do as the employer to the employee? What is your duty? How are you supposed to treat your employee? Number one, you're supposed to provide suitable working terms and conditions. Yes. And in teaching, the working terms are very good and conditions, because I'm supposed to arrive at work before 7 and then I leave at 5. Yes. Unless I'm on duty, because on duty, I'm on duty all around the clock, 24 hours. Yes. In case anything happens to you, even when you think I've gone to sleep, I must be able to answer for it. That is how it is. And then also, other working terms and conditions, there are many you will find in particular jobs. Like, for example, if you're a nurse, your working terms are different. You only work a few hours. You're either on day shift or night shift. And also it depends with particular tasks that you're taking that particular, because some hospitals do like 6 hours, others do all the 12 hours. It depends with your employer. Also, it is the right of it is a duty of the employer to the employee to pay a just wage to the employees. We are going later in the topic to talk about how the just wage is determined. Here, just wage is a fair wage. Yes, you employ someone to just dig the shamba, and then they tell you, you tell them, I'm going to pay you per day. How much are you paid per day? Yes, to dig the garden. How? Yes, per day it's 350, or it has gone to 400. I don't know, but some people usually tell you that I am usually paid 500 because I do. So that is up for negotiation, because your employee is just there. Then you can give someone wages according to the whole day, because remember, this is casual work. Or you can give a person payment according to, we call it a piecework. Yes, I tell you, you dig from here up to that window, and I'm going to give you 100 shillings. I think that is the best, because if I pay you the whole day 350 shillings to dig around my shamba, some of them sit down and wait, and they don't go in a hurry. Yes, they do a shoddy job, or during lunch hour when they're supposed to come break, I give them some food. They will take like 2 hours to eat. But if I give you a piece of work, yes, I tell you, if you work from here to here is when I'm going to give you payment. You'll hurry up and do it and then leave, right? Yes, I think that is the best method. So a just wage is determined. When you are talking about a just wage, you realize it depends with the profit that the employer is making. It also determines with the work done. Yes. Also, your level of education. For example, in the teaching profession, we are paid according to the job group that you are in. Also, another duty of the employer to the employee is to take care of the welfare of the employees. Yes, and taking care of the welfare is like giving them a medical leave and a pension scheme. All the teachers and pension scheme, it's called will be offered pension. It comes after you retire, right? Yes. So there's a particular package you get, a lump sum, and then later every month there is a particular money that you receive. Also, you're entitled to a medical leave in case you're sick. We are usually given even a month or two. It depends with the least. Even the least you can pay when you're sick is 2 months. Is it 2 or 4? Somewhere they don't remember so well. So also to motivate the employees by providing equal opportunities for promotion and being fair to them. So you're supposed to motivate your employees by promoting them, and also by treating them all equally and fair, and also rewarding those employees. You reward the employees by sharing with them the profits, like I told you about the bonus. In the teaching profession, I don't think there's anywhere we share profit with the employer. Then also it is the duty of the employer to ensure that their employees who are made redundant for one reason or another are compensated accordingly. So in case there was a time that people were sacked because in different companies, it's long time ago, you were not even born, and people were sacked. We were being told, or people were being told that uh, due to the, I don't know whether it was during the government could not be able to pay them or something like that, or was it a company? No, it was the government, and then they were sacked. They were given a compensation which was called golden handshake. That you were given a choice: either you remain in your particular post, or you leave your job and you at least compensated something. Then also it is the duty of the employer to give the employees time off normal duties. That is to allow them chance to relax and regain. In the T.S.E, the teachers are usually given the what? We relax when you go home. Yes, when you go for your holidays, the students, we also get a chance also time off, to get the time off, and also the weekends. Also, it is their duty to work towards ensuring the stability of the organization. That is, they ensure that the organization is working well, so that they don't lose money, and then you are forced to sack them. And then most of them will, or not even to sack them, if you don't ensure stability of a particular company, and then you start making losses, at the end of the day, you're going to close down the company, and people are going to lose their jobs. They'll be jobless. And then in Christianity, we say that these people are going to suffer because they do not have a source of income. So it is your work as the employer to ensure the stability of the organization. Also, it is your duty as the employer to treat employees with respect and dignity. Yes, that's all. Any question? I hope you're understanding.